Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use a credit card for beginners. Using a credit card for the first time can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate the process with confidence. First, make sure you have received your credit card and have activated it according to the instructions provided by your bank. Once activated, familiarize yourself with the card's details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To use your credit card, start by selecting a merchant that accepts credit card payments. This can be a store, restaurant, or online retailer. When making a purchase, let the merchant know that you would like to pay with your credit card. Next, the merchant will ask for your credit card and may request a government-issued ID to verify your identity. Swipe or insert your card into the payment terminal, depending on the type of terminal the merchant uses. If you are making an online purchase, you will need to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, into the payment form. Make sure to only enter your credit card details on secure websites, indicated by a lock icon in the address bar. Once you have completed the payment, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and any additional fees. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction and receive your receipt or order confirmation. As a best practice, always keep your credit card and account information safe and secure. Monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to your bank immediately. Additionally, be aware of your credit limit and make timely payments to avoid interest charges and late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your credit card with confidence and make the most of its benefits. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement and understand the fees and interest rates associated with your account. With responsible use and awareness, you can enjoy the convenience and rewards of using a credit card.